Hello students, welcome to the next video tutorial on problems of isometric projections. So next the third question. Previously we have discussed two questions. First one was line, square, plane of isometric or rectangle of isometric projections. Next equilateral triangle of isometric view. Now third one, same again, isometric view. Maximum this as per syllabus we will cover isometric views. Even in exam point of view also isometric views we prefer when compared to isometric projections. Right? Isometric view, remember we have to use original dimension. Draw the isometric view of two questions we have, pentagon 50 mm, hexagon 50 mm. Now continued with that, plane, vertical and horizontal. That's the condition how you have to use your original plane projection of a plane, isometric projection of planes. Pentagon, you know, 5 sides, right, or 50 mm side, plane, vertical and horizontal, right. If suppose this is a pentagon, you can assume a shape of pentagon, plane, vertical and horizontal. This is your horizontal. Say, simple here you are supposed to consider plane of vertical your like this. First and foremost, solution of your first one, A. Pentagon of 50 mm side, you have to draw the original dimension. Draw the original dimension of pentagon. Original size. First side being horizontal, plane vertical, parallel to your view. This is the original pentagon with the labeling parts as A, B, C, D, E, dimension 50. Now, as per our concept of what? Principle of isometric projection, we are supposed to use 3: iso right, iso left, iso top. Now, how to draw that? Right? Previously, remember, same old box method we are supposed to use. Without box, we cannot try to fit towards iso left, iso right, and iso top. So for that, same use construction steps with the light pencil. Right? Try to complete the box. For this, see, I am showing you the difference how you have to do construction between original figure and another figure. Now this is here A, one, two, three, four. This box consists of 4 corners, but here important thing is dimension. Right? Previously for equilateral triangle problem, AB length was equal to equilateral triangle side, but here it is not. When you complete your original pentagon, after that you have to construct a box. After constructing, the length of this 1, 2 has to be measured. Right? Now this, whatever the height of 2, 3, it has to be measured. That values, depending upon your original size of your pentagon, they depend. So you are supposed to remember that first. Now same concept, iso left, iso right and iso top. Right? First of all, I am starting with iso left. Simple, I am trying to construct the box first. Take the reference point, draw a line. Iso left means we are supposed to start from right side with 2 as reference. 2. Draw a 30 degrees line. See this 30 degrees of length, this one, question mark. Right? I don't know the dimension. As per original, you have to measure it. Now again, height. Here height also same. I don't know the dimension. You have to measure it. Complete your iso left like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now in this you are supposed to fit your pentagon. So how to fit it? Now thing is that from 1 A will be at a particular distance. Use compass and cut it. From 2 B at a particular distance. Use compass, cut it. From 2 C at a particular distance. From 1 E at a particular distance, and here D it will be middle. Use compass, measure the length, try to cut. Here points will become A, B, C, D, E. Join them. A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E, A. We have completed isometric view of a pentagon of 50 mm side, even in the vertical plane of iso left view. Now here show the original dimension of AB as 50. You are clearly has to remember, you should depend upon this question mark dimensions. Now this is nothing but you can write here iso left view. Hope you all understand. Method is same for everyone, but you are supposed to remember iso left vertical 30 degrees, iso right 90 degrees, 30 degrees, iso top 230 degrees. Now here same way next. Take the reference, keep this as reference point. Iso right. Iso right, it should start from left to right. Left to number 1 I am taking as reference. From here draw 30 degrees line of question mark length. Box we are constructing, not the pentagon. So same way, height, box 1, 2, 3, 4. If you don't have drafter for drawing parallel lines, you can use protractor. Again telling I am 30 degrees line, here 90 degrees straight line you can draw. Now from here also you can just draw a reference line, draw 30 degrees, it will come here, just close it. Right? That is a simple technique. Now here inside this, our points, right? This height is also measured dimension. Now our points were from 1A, cut it, from 2B, from 2C, from 3D, from 4E. Measure the distance from the compass. Take the compass 1 to A. Measure the distance from 1, cut A. 2 to B, from 2 cut B. 2 to C, from 2 cut C. A, B, C, D, E. Now join A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E, E, A. That is your isometric view of a pentagon of 50 mm side over towards the vertical plane of iso right. Right? See this is dimension here 50. Iso right view. Simple thing is that box you have to draw with its box method. See, I am showing the differences with the light line and thick line. These are all box line. Box method means construction line should be drawn with box. Your answer should be in thick. Now finally, iso left, iso right. Vertical planes we have done. Horizontal plane, iso top. Iso top means both 30 degrees line. Draw reference line. Keep the protractor 30 degrees towards left, 30 degrees towards right. What dimensions of these lines are to be drawn? These lines are to be drawn of this question mark as this image. If you take reference as 1, I am always preferring left corner from 1 to 2 question mark, right? 1 to 4 question mark. So from here, draw one more 30, close it. All 30 degrees line. After drawing here, you can just use one more 30 degrees, draw that. From here you can use one more 30 degrees towards left, draw that. You can close. Now from here 1, box 2, 3, 4. Inside the box our dimensions. Take the compass 1A, cut for A point. From 2 to B, take the compass, measure it, cut it for B point. From 2 to C, 2C. From 3 to D, use D. D to E, can cut it for E. Finally, A, B, B, C, C, D, C, E, E, A, closing. The final dimension here original, 50 original. We are not writing any bracket dimensions of diminished. Why? Because we have used for isometric view. View is original. This is all about drawing. Here one more thing I am stressing, As we discussed first question subpart of C rectangle part, interchanging of this length and breadth will give one more view in the horizontal plane of isotop. No need, right? Because as we are going for planes which are of irregular shape, you can take any one, right? Preferably with the left corner. Iso left, iso right, and isotop view. Very small I have covered, but you can draw all in one line or two above, two below. It will be very clear. Now same way, B question, hexagon. Nothing changed, right? 50 mm hexagon, you know, same this one in the box. Hexagon, it will be like this. Simple. Hexagon shape, you know, is 6 sides. Corner here, from here to corner, straight line. Right, from here to here, corner. Again from here, it will come straight. From here, if you consider corner, straight. If you consider from corner here, straight. Same, try to do by yourself the theory B, a hexagon of 50 mm side, plain vertical and same. Instead of pentagon, draw hexagon, construct a box, iso left, iso right, iso top. So simple questions. Don't just watch the videos. Keep your mobile phones in front. Take A4 size paper which are available at near your stores. Any paper, any book. Take pencil, scale, protractor. Those are enough to draw the drawings. No need of drawing sheet or your drafter. Try to practice them with the help of paper, scale, protractor, compass with general geometrical instruments. Now when the time permits, we will go for drawing sheets and drafter practice purpose. Now you have to complete each and every question with the help of a paper which is available from your side. Right? We will discuss next problem, next video tutorial. Thank you.